Welcome to this very show. Episode meeting the kwesi fosu and then so eba be din komo na eba piem ewo ye ma me ne ade nyina. Her name is special guest Patricia Konedu Peters. Madam Mrs. What do you cano short no say Pat Peters. Why Ghana ni Anna wakwat na Amsterdam Holland ache abobera wo ho. Osaye kuma actress onim system ne mu ba na nkoma ba bedi no efa me ne ho ene o man Ghana ene asumdie ho ene nkoma no eye mienu ene ye ka bo mu ebisi bill no yem pass LGBTQ and I say mo kan say LGBT+T1+ ne de keka ho ABC gay sem, ABC lesbian sem. And I hate the my Ghana. I bet to swear Ghana, no buy no say any nyai. Anytime. I bet minim in some work catch the and I account you. A dean slave queen as to the same. And then I buy. I didn't know existing. Why only slave queens? I won't come on a crown so ye ready. But your mommy, Pat Peters, and you be a upon whom ye pa. To see America say she has to her credit magazines more than the oho. But Kakrawa ha and then Mepe say the video home come Kakra account. Subscribe, share, like, comment na yening come our channels. Amsterdam to be precise. I'm Amrehima or mention title Yenny the Aman or say Fata. Mammy, I'm official.
I think commenting.
Title until I was tonight.
Title, they want me. Oh, it's every day. I just love it.
Yes. Amsterdam. I'm American.
Yes.
You deserve that.
Papa.
You better think one year show near Mau and near here near Maucon. What's the fantasy as a most?
Me das.
And then you put away, my person, my papa, come in once and come on.
Oh, very true. The Netherlands, so that you bet you can.
I don't have some no
cooking, Sonda gas.
Cooking Sonda gas.
Let's just say, wouldn't work and I will use gas.
Oh, okay.
Electric. Now, oh,
okay, and the band.
Nice.
And I'm a frying pan.
Oh, sir. It was in the soda.
And I went to
Amsterdam South Coast area.
Oh, what's here? Into a diary and answer a magazine.
Eh, one magazine here. Area material, almost yeah, means me will be.
Wow. Oh, quiet. I want to go active. You man, I'm so
cutting quine.
Huh?
Cutting quine pie.
Ghana cutting quine.
And I'm a catcher.
And cutting the Abian.
Yeah, dear. If you had a
number of the year.
I made a look at me, if you have some Japan,
any
I'm a new woman.
Ingredients for the benefit of my viewers, let me quickly do this and some of kind ingredients. No, I'm Pat Peters, and I'm funny one because picture beauty at the end of sound to me as a supper. We're Hannah also. Share. You have heard ingredients, not the year. Ghana and cutting quine. Na Mac be biacho. Na ye din komo no quickly me da say ingredients no ingredients 300 grams of bean
round flesh na ntwinam
and I'm going to say
round flesh
okay 100 grams of bean
where there bounce pack ye muade em say ye muade ye
and 2 bean
hare where amane and 2 drop hare just amane awo mi
and 2 pieces
na 2 pieces
and 5 no so ye there
we so ye there female. Oh, where is that to Sudia no children?
And Madame Buhana,
Madame Janet.
Oh, no, I'm not the problem. Only Pepper, Madame Janet.
Madame Janet. Madame Janet Pepe. And I say, we fufu. And tomatoes.
Fufu, Moody and the Canadian.
Yeah, Canady. Coco Yam, the men Canadian. Oh, Canadian and kind. And I'm Katia Suni. And I blake it to me and I'm profundity and I got a profundity. And yeah, man, men are making me resign. I'm profiting cutting good dance for cutting quite a young what did I throw on Sankasa? I dear Mamma Coadopa. Okay, no more do bear me. And I'm a magazine at Toss. I was so Bessima. A magazine, Amsterdam war. Chief title of Genesis. Okay. Within him for near him for me, I'm a boy, him, and for. Say be a fast flat way, go pro, him, your Dutch really kick his time him.
Your day children.
Kikistan. Aye, flat bidin.
Naima, Yamapia, wonderful. Wonderful. It's when you are your mamma, a woman, couple money, Yamamel Koso, or best magazine.
Where's Miana, me, Wixon.
How can so now you put a beautician?
Yes, I will see.
Okay. African collections, Anna.
African collections.
I'm follow you super.
I'm follow you too.
Oh, okay. We are actress in Tima who said, Nina womb.
A Franny, Nina, said a Franny womb. Elegantus, no. Hey, and me a film be now. Okay, baby child.
Okay, yeah. Wonderful. We now we are cotton or the body showcase at your programs. Yes. Let us be as an first. We are when I did first. Into bones of shim so now you're playing in a to salon. Okay, and also and you meet the Queen of African Wares.
Yeah.
I know why.
Yeah.
And what you put the bear?
And yes, I'm going to.
Wow.
Wow.
Pat Peters.
Yes.
Okay. Wonderful.
Yeah.
Yeah, but then our cover magazines, you want why this?
Oh, okay. So me car magazines you want someone na ebeye me ankasa mabrabo. If you say man go school and rich bia just Canadian kind of form 4 and I me but I really wanted to polish my English. Eti me any pa me magazines to pa. Magazine which say Oprah magazine friend Airborne. Me wo free film I just wanted to read, look at photos and see, you know, now because I'm polishing my profile because now me doing couple of
anything a man so you were able to come out with
this.
No?
Yes, I love these things. I like doing them.
At age 66.
Yes. Wow. I feel like doing.
Yeah, right. Welcome to Ghana.
Thank you.
Yeah, Oba enche bisa ba ko ni ho. Ghana, I say maybe by say be pass you see pass you parliament amanfo ke kan ho ne ade. We are mamre ni die. LGBTQ and now say LGBTQI plus or say Q say come. We will be able to do kwai be. At the same wo na ba Ghana nso. Yeah, bill no. And penny for say no. Majority say no. You are ready to round. You have anything to say about it?
Okay, make a baby kakra afa ho a sami mini ha.
Yeah.
And so we show mu a me di enfie di osensie ya. Me enfie ni de do so pa me di no wo abrochire ekofufo so. Na me wo kro bia e fra Holland. Asama wo boss we. The fare by ni the panyin nyina e ho ne wo. Holland. Yes. E ho na me ko hu say e kwan da ho se be ma ni be ma ware. Oba ware me ma wo certificate was cut out. But me ye Christian me e ho de me nko if you said say de nyame asem si kire me me ntimi nyim tumu ne na me ntimi nyim tumu kina na ade ba ko me nim say me contemporary me say nyam na me hyemera enti me ba Ghana no so matete Mate se bibi koso ye friend slave queen ni ade chese I for one me ntiase me nim ade ko me nim se na esitie gisama ba mu na obi e hye da chirechire me ntiase.
Okay, quickly answer me about your boss no so come there but ye share baby to say wo say Amsterdam ye be bia na Holland you cry wo ho me ba ni be ma timi ware oba ni oba timi ware and so on and so forth. What just we Christian we are mamre ni what is your take because we are Ghanaian citizen.
Yeah.
No one shamra there and so we ye na ka ho and no man your mind. What is your take?
Oh me na me mfo aso
ye peni fo nye dem
ye peni fo wo mo si ho kwan oh man ma so
there is some contest so say some for no omo questions me no say buso omo some questions me say wo si ye ma ho kwan na one be onyoko be ma enye den enware anenda wo so si ye ma ho kwan na one oyoko ba na enware na kwan na enko
anye
na wo fa no kase wo ware
anye say ko nyame asem a wo si ye wo ne ndore e wasase so and it's like oboni for no person wo block sa wo nyame asem no a waka se ba ne sa de na che se wi ase ko awieye ena de ye hu se wi asese so awurade se nyame nkonko won kan kire se e kwa bi yesa ye ntimi mpene so dabi ye ntimi mpene so
ye mre ya mamrem kakrakra from emra ne side ni ade no ye hwe ya kan mamre ni ade na eye busu sam eye
obi esende me ayi video bi sesi a ewo mi telephone so eye abamu wa bi owo bi nem se ho ne hye da nyekuru kase eye bibi Ghana he ya ena em se wo makoto so se
Pranza he ya
sawa hu sha emoja gu ditiri so busu na si wo mu fie em se busu ne keka no ho ema esi konfo bi se obi di fi aka efie ho woman na butu wo edin nsa gu etwajan di moja na gu ditiri so di bia gu nsa so that mean ya be ma no otin da bi ntimi pene so etia ya mamre pra etia ya mamre na no mpene
obi kasese yese mra enya ne yehye mra na ye mpanyimfo ke twinkle of na ochena ye be sori ye be chine yese wom omaja tu omo pene so a wo le fie
asem we die eni na asem aba na mnim se nyame wo makwan sa if you say awurade asem ma ye ti ase se wo hene akoma eda ne nsem die wono awurade pe ene wo dane ne ko awurade enkrofo eso wa aben won kunkun wo wa aben enya adwuma awurade makwan die ne Sodom and Gomorrah no afi na adwuma
bebre nso advocate sen ene obi atana so enyan say ye hu se bibi chiako maybe ye pepe total blackout in demonstration you say that o mani nyina sorry in demonstration
na me ka say hu se me ni ha just komo ye die ye masa foforo kra kakra but dey be hu no amano no ena me di eba
mani my whole experience kakra what na wa che no you see them say be mani obai o ma ware o mtifie ba ko situation wey
just say we ye obi a nkonkon ti mu a o se ni ehia wo mo mbienu nam gira bonti ekisi just de wo be ye wo no just wo ma wo hu se da bia wo gira no wo mpe enti minni ehu just minni ehu asebia
okay you oba kan ye ma wo kwan ba mienu na tu Ghana mebunofo efa ko Ghana Ghana panyimfo sansa ye hwe ye di mi kura be baba out a empanyimfo bi say a doctor fo bi wom emranimfo bi wom emrashebedafo bi wom omo say edwuma profession bi o man mu bia e benya mu su ene ban bia omo so practice your opinion
said you know kana mesan abo ho biem aye tokro bia ededa ho a obonefo no awramu eno nti ade ba akokora ho futu abede ba se wo ba bi na wudi nkomo se wo hwe yi madwuma no sadam ka cho se be ye wo skipo ye wo sankofo no bia wo mo de serve play mu skipo ho eno wo na ye adwuma wo sori tia no ye be yi wadi ne
o me very powerful
me say wo sori tia ne ye be yi wadi ne
why are they powerful
I don't know the spirit behind it I just don't know Chirasa wo ye ni niam a wo ye no na wo fi so wo ye straight wo sori tia na be yi wadi ne ni say wo discriminate wo enti e ya ade bia ehiam pai bo hin ehiam pai bo we oba tan na asem we bi ato wa eyem pai bo be bia metimi di adura because bibia ni wa obeye me fa sase me wonsu nsuni wanyin say oba bo so me nkro awo na oba ba mu wa all of a sudden who say wo sa situation ni mu a just obon pai e na awurade wo bo no age na fi because e tumi a e den papa ye tua sesa e den papa so the to Bible mu ade bia na etua se enye yi a e say yare atwere because yare atwere Yesu na nkasa bia no nkasa we just akonchene ne mpaibo enye asankotwa nti advice am be ba me srema busuafo we oba tan a but awurade yentimi mompa ye ema ye mei Bible ma ye hu sa so den ma eba ni mrebu ni ewe advice am betimi ni aba tan a
okay I was afraid to say think my mama Patricia Konedu Peters and then dream come for LGBTQ and I say LGBTI+. I was like, can't come on. Now, and you know, besides said, yeah, this slave queen, and was sitting in an okay new to her because I'm an name sad in it. And why never be doing come on here. But slave queen, name the money say they are young gold diggers. who are active on social media and pretends to afford a lavish partying lifestyle.
Okay.
Ghana, and Edimba Kwa, a walk as a pious liquors. Omon a trendy, Omon a followers, Omon a twerky, Omon a yum watching, Omon a more form, Omon a more absorbers. But the market gets the princess, Omu good man mass. If you don't amount yo, me slave queens no ho asem kakra. If you say amanone say dey wosi akire mu ni mini ni say wo mo ye nkofo bi o mi yi wo mo ho wo mo twerk ni ye dey wo sa na we ye na bi am say show nya na show ya de no.
Okay, so when they compare amanone a slave queen is nothing.
Ebi ni ho na bi o.
Ebi wo ho, but in a different way because slave queen had ye no eye obi a woni bie. No person force you bie. Ahade sa na me hu no. E kom de ye.
Pretenders.
Sa.
E kom de omo.
E kom de ye. E na nyame adom na bosuo ye kama. Eti ofi se be ma bia. Obetimi e de na bosuo no adada no ne na koda ma ne sika ma wotimi ya toto ne ma akode. Enya ahonya. E na ye free slave. But amano ne de. Wo mo ntare wo mo hihye na no. Wo mo be wo mo hye wo hokra ha ye hye. Ebi ye tie ankasa. Ye hu nyina egu abonte se some time e be. Obi no fu nyina egu abonten ne nam ne baabi. Ye mfra wo slave queen. E na ye ne e wo no so just e bibi normal. Ye ni bibi atia wo. Se de hamom wo bibi tia slave queens no. Enti to me slave queen say akwala bi a wa ye suti amane maame na wo ye kristoni ba. Just woni wo de onya ne ho saa. Enti slave queens no ahana me buy because we hu bia go me hu 1 or 2 bi
but I want accommodate omo no
ehia fo ma pa slave queen bi ho no wontimi fa nko rafie wo mo kra na timi ka se oh maami we ye maami so na nya wo maami wo mo timi fo bi ko rafie because omo ye ehia fo ma omo nru ba bi a wo mo duru na omo pesa wo mo fo so duru enti e kom na de wo
well yeah but maami say e kom slave queens no definition na ya come na they are pretenders. Yes, can you be any more? A friend slave queen. I want mem. Hey, come on, I had that. And you're not slave queens for yourself. Aha, yes, a thumbs up. Sansa no crane watch them no. Skinny be any more slave queen. Wow. Wait, and it's your money. Hey, your mamma and your money. Hey, there be a show my and ye. There is a show my and ye, dear meaning, sir. I can tell you a cata who see. Now, see you who ye. Na be ma emra mesrew hwetete wo bra agro kama e dit wasi ukoko na wo funu kra ye yi ato nche ne tse me ma wo mo ba wo no ya asam kase ya wo mo hunu bi da wo enti dabi slap ne de ye di bu ma ye di bu ma ya enye ye ma me nya de nyina Pat Peters and then twin komo she's been promoting our culture in the diaspora. And the keka ho nyina nti amamre ne amane de onimu bi ene nti na we define slave queen no amayen no a kire de yesi ye ne yenye your parents about time guardians have a stake in this omo na aboa ama yakodu some pepment so na awofo edifo say abenya slave queens
me pa cha awofo ni fo
guardians parents
awofo ni fo if he say the minim ni say obia about time bia ni wo be kasa le ba koye slave queen.
By a whooping now, we almost our phone. Almost Italian.
Dear Minimum says, slave queen and now for a deba.
Okay.
And now for some deba. Because about time be anywhere, but person the Baba is slave queen. 18 now for 4, a static now for 4 will be in what you room. A fair no discard and I'm some woman, I mean, as a condemned to discard bar. What would South say? And he is free. Now, if one cast out the one slave queen, a cosso, because me classes have been this cup of fee, with a quiet swimming. And tia batano, one baby for crab, fast about 20%. Mammy, be any what catcher a basso quay sleeping. In soon, so, pa. Mammy, be not service, said not your social media, you will be saying, woo. Yeah. We are poison way. We are not Bema way, what in the call is because some of the man until I see any new of what Kunu. Enti So bad time pa because the bank is like afford the idea. You have 20% penalty amount bad time. The aka agrodi. And now
because him no ka say e ya ho chirinti e kombinti. Wonyini say e bibrem Ghana ha ya brabo no ni ya ho chire ne ya economical situations no e na ma we nyina adoso ana say agi ehini o man.
There be because a come in your compisa said it when you come the and you will see I survive.
Me man we about 10 minutes a few minutes now you need sleeping for it. And then I catch you.
Yay, mama no. Say my boss you cry you different. So we share in fear be aduonu a esane ba ya. Sa time no you fa say fear aduane atwamu. Enkwala na e wo me different. You need to Asantifo makra especially ye yankrokro wantie ntia nketenkete. Say be 20 years ni nkwala wo mo ba mo ho ofankasa. Wa wo sa ba ya gira ho a. Wo sa ba ya gira ho a wo se yes nyame anwene a wanwe. Yesra mo ma ho ofa ma mo nsei no. Yesra mo a se urade ama bi bi te se sa ho ofa no a. E no ngira se fako yesle queen. Slave queen kroya no de eto aye wo pane ba
artificial no
se nkwala ibi tu nyina pro social media nkwala ibi wu enam se mo pese mo to no urade krade ama mo san ye kese enti ma me metu mo fu sram se de urade abom no fedodo fe enti yesram munya abotre na mo ntena senye sitie na mema mewura fie meware na wo mo mfa mo kotena ware ase na slave queen no munyai afutu kakra bia meti bia ma wo.
Well, I was for an uncle, my baby, and say, and engineer, sorry, Kunya, so Namaka, say, Mammy, I didn't know a veteran actress. I will come out industry anymore. Now, son, a year will be a watching ye papa, Mamma, money one, or no, a year, I did see a dear from there. Yeah, I did see a dear. I fraud, if you dear papa, Brody, dear, me and Casasumi, me a camera woman, me trap video. Me and Casasumi, ye magazines, who ye party now, person by magazine, your friend or Bestima, me do them. Who per se program me be trying me ko yi wa brochira me what television station program bi wo ho no a eye Monday anwumre bia wo Amsterdam me twa wa de nam bia ko ho ma ko yi me wiase nyina hu se wo ware wo ba no na be ma no so ware wo ba no enti enema bebre ewo mi numbers na screen so me bo a we betima fa no afre ye ma me Patricia Konedu Peters madam na abo Ghana nsia de Ghana wa be de beta
me wa hapa
nti hanso bia ye bibia o so sa abroche for so sa enye se wo ye bibia me ji usika nko a wo hia afutuo bi afre me de be ma wo abra wo ntua hwe me niema no so a ayefro niema ne bibia to se de na abroche no wo pese wo ye bibia wo ba me busa wo budget e busa sa ma me ana papa no katuko tira ko ntia sa
ma coat katuko tira no wonya pe sika sai na wo a wa de na wo ye no pese wo de ye me wuna wo bia chororo anya ma na kokokoko enye sika ti na mo ha me de nipa dua ba sa me de ba be
wow ebusia for na sa na etie enkomo na yedie no yedi ni se ye beka ejebi na ya toa so da foforo ye ma me ne ade nyina ne me ma no kwan no wachia sanse afa ne Ghana ha ba on chia kakra nsa na ma ya so ne bi so
ene na me chia pa ne baba kwa me ba ya me hwe na me hu no virus me chia pa afa kwadwo nkansa kwadwo ma me nte wo nka me chia pa wo ma me maba me wo town me chia wo bia miracle films fo awo ya awo me wa ha o aha me chia wo bia enti Bill Samuel wa hene me wa around me chia pa Jackson me director ba ko pe me chia wo bia.
Well, I was afraid to see the Makai, Nana, Ajwa, Jumo, and Chakra, no, by your Canadian. Found the money in our brana, Yamame, but.
Hey, Mammy, shall be back. Messi, Mini Pame were around. Yeah, make shower, near around. Yeah, Nana, Ajwa,
also Kai. Na yemfa mamre kwan so aware no ye nyanya no kama pa ema hu ye maame ya bibia be koso no mess no screen so Ghana number ko ni nti mo keso mo ko timi
afa de ma ban
afa no ba nti 02 say
me pa so me ntiri nkai
me a me bo number na mama mo a mo pesa mo che number no off head no mo ntie ni ye maame Patricia Konedu Peters the company name no ko ama wa me
Genesis Enterprise
Ghana ha obeduru ana person ne kasa mo Holland naps and na mo be ware na obedu anu nyamae no mo mfrɛ 055 396 6316 055 396 6396 so screen so far na frɛ ye ma me na afei omoboa so your traditional wedding no wo ye eyie no ne de keka ho bi bia wo bi utu bedi bia wo bi na nya no nko wo ye na asa de akɔ Amsterdam amount magazine nso pɛ so wa pie wo mu a eba wo wo bi ne ade your best man right yeah Genesis what
Genesis
Enterprise Ghana ne Amsterdam owo ho na me bia akoso e ma me bi gina broni wa chia no wa me science ah odin na me ko ba
me chia me ba broni ba ma de ba ko pe me nyina ye be ma ona o ye me ba PC Frida Mrs Frida Obin chia no so wo Germany
all right Mrs thumbs up usia chapa abusia for ha ye di CD dai ko si ani pitri me din e de kwasi fusu me je mo tasani maka